Welcome you all, my dear children. Today we are going to learn to multiply numbers whose last digits add to 10 and the remaining digits are the same. First we can find such numbers. The first pair 44 and 46. Wow! The last digits are 4 and 6. Their sum is 10 and digits are 4 and they are the same. Now if you take the second pair, it is 53 and 57. The sum of last digits equals 3 plus 7, 10, okay. And the remaining digits are 5 and they are the same. Now if you take the third pair, it is 102 and 108. Sum of last digits equals 2 plus 8 and that is 10. And the remaining number is 10 and they are the same. Now we can multiply. First you multiply 44 and 46. The criteria, we already checked the criteria that the sum of last digits will be 10 and the remaining digits will be the same. In all these cases it will be the same. So what we do is we just find the product of last two digits and that is 4 times 6 and that is 24. That will be your last two digits of the answer. That is the answer part, in the last two digits, this 24 will come. Now, what is the remaining digit? It is 4. Find the product of 4 and 4 plus 1. That is 4 times 5 and that is 20. Write it there. So, what is your answer? 20, 24. Now, if we find the product of 53 and 57, what are the last two digits? It is 3 times 7, that is 21. Write it there. Now, what is the first number? It is 5 times 5 plus 1. That is 5 times 6, 30. You write it here. So, what is your answer? 3021. You can extend this method to larger numbers also. For example, 102 times 108. This satisfies the criteria. The sum of last two digits is 10 and the remaining digits are the same. They are the 10. So, what we do is 2 times 8, 16, write it here. 10 times 11, that is 110, write it here. Now, we can do 5003 and 5007, multiply these two numbers. The last two digits, 3 times 7, it is 21. And the first number will be 500 times 501 and that is 250500. So in this way, you can find this multiplication. Now what happens if 81 times 89? Here what happened is, if you take the product of 9 and 1, you get a 9. But we need two digits. So what we do is, we write 09 in the last to make it two digit. And what is 8 times 9? 72. You write it in the beginning part. So it is 7209. So let me remind you that when you calculate this in your mind, you are connecting the numbers and patterns. And so you are giving exercise to your left and right brain at the same time, and that is going to sharpen your brain. So we can do some real life activity. Arun started a 5-star hotel and he bought 66 chairs of cost $64 each. What is the amount that he spent for purchasing the chairs? It is 66 times 64 and that is $4224. You can find it in few seconds. Now learn by practicing. I'll give you some questions. You have to do this and send me the answer using the code P003. Thank you so much for attending this class and love you all. Bye-bye.